Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce learning plateau with FluentU, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce your learning plateau with FluentU, start by creating an account on the FluentU website. Once logged in, choose your target language from the list provided. Take a moment to explore the user-friendly interface. Locate the videos section, where you can find a diverse selection of content. Select a video that interests you. Watch the video in its entirety to immerse yourself in the language. Pause the video at key moments to repeat phrases out loud. Use the interactive captions feature to follow along and understand the context. Take note of unfamiliar words and phrases. Click on the words for definitions, example sentences, and usage tips. Use the flashcard feature to practice and reinforce your vocabulary. Schedule a daily review of your flashcards to boost retention. Engage with the quizzes section after watching a video for comprehension checks. Challenge yourself by taking notes on the video's main points. Incorporate what you've learned by creating your own sentences using new vocabulary. Practice speaking these sentences aloud to build confidence. Explore the series section for themed content that can enhance contextual understanding. Set achievable goals for daily learning to maintain motivation. Track your progress through the FluentU Analytics dashboard. Regularly revisit and rewatch favorite videos for continued exposure. Stay consistent with your practice to overcome any learning plateaus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.